Hello friends, welcome to my channel Heart of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture of Mechanics of Solid subject, we will go through the examples related to equivalent force couple system. As in the previous lecture, we had seen that when a system consists of forces along with moments or couples, it is known as force couple system. So, in this we will go through the examples related to the force couple system. So in the first example, it is given that an angle is subjected to 30 Newton force as shown in figure. Here 30 Newton force is making an angle theta with reference to horizontal axis. Hence the inclined force has two components. First will be your 30 cos theta, and the second component will be 30 sine theta, and we have to replace this force as an equivalent force couple system at point A. Means over here we have to replace the force. So first of all, let us find the value of theta. Here 300 is given as mm and this length is given as 200 mm. So as we know that tan theta equals to 3 by 4, as here the slope is given. Therefore, the value of theta will be equals to 36.87 degree. Now we can easily plot the value of theta over here, that is, and here. So after putting the value of theta as 36.87 into 30 cos theta, you will get 24 Newton, and over here, that is 30 sine 36.87, you will get the value as 1818 Newton. As we have to replace this 30 Newton force over point A, we have to first take the moment about point A. So taking moment about A will be equals to, let us take this as first force. So here 24 into this force is making a perpendicular distance with respect to point A over here. So this perpendicular distance will be equals to 300 mm. So force is your 24 and perpendicular distance is 300. As this 30 cos theta, that is 24 Newton, will move towards point A in anti-clockwise direction, hence it will be taken as negative. Now we will go for another force, that is 18 Newton force. So here force into perpendicular distance. This force makes the perpendicular distance over here, that is at distance 200 mm with respect to point A. So here 18 into 200, and this 18 Newton force will move towards point A in clockwise direction, hence it will be taken as positive. So I will write over here positive. So after solving the above step, you will get the value as minus 3600 Newton into mm, which will be equals to 3600 Newton into mm in anti-clockwise direction. So I am just denoting the figure over here, that is, yeah, that this is your A point and 30 Newton force, and the moment in anti-clockwise direction as 3600 Newton into mm. So by this way you have to replace the force as an equivalent force couple system with respect to given point. So now let us move to another example. In second example, it is given that an angle of 60 degree is subjected to 200 Newton force. This is your inclined force. Let us split the force in two direction. So your horizontal direction will be with respect to cos 60 degree and your vertical direction will be with respect to sine, making an angle 60 degree. And we have to replace this force as an equivalent force coupled system at point C, means over here. So let us take the moment at point C. So taking moment about C, therefore MC equals to 200 cos 60. This is your one force, and this force makes the perpendicular distance over here with respect to point C as 40. So here I will write 200 cos 60 into 40, and this 200 cos 60 move towards point C in clockwise direction, hence it will be positive. Now we will go for second force, that is 200 sine 60 degree. This force makes the perpendicular distance over here with respect to point C. So this will be exactly equals to 20 centimeter. So it will make the perpendicular distance of 20 centimeters. So I will write over here 20, and this 20 sine 60 will move towards point C in clockwise direction, hence it will be also positive. So the value of moment about point C, after solving the above equation, you will get 7464 Newton into centimeter, and this is positive, hence I will denote by this direction. So here this 7464 Newton into centimeter in clockwise movement and replacing with 200 Newton force, making an angle 60 degree with the horizontal axis. Now we will go for another example. In this example, we have to replace the given force system into force coupled system at point A. Means we have to replace 500 Newton force at this point. As the 500 Newton force is inclined and it is making an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal x-axis. So let us split in two components. Your first component will be 500 cos 60 and your second component will be 500 sine 60 degree. So let us take the moment. So taking moment about point A, therefore MA equals to, now remember one thing, this is your A point and this 500 cos 60 is on the same line of action from where we are taking the moment. Hence, this 500 cos 60 will not be considered as the line of action is same. So here, the second force is 500 sine 60 degree into this 500 sine 60 degree makes the perpendicular distance over here with respect to point A as 200 mm. So here into 200, and this 500 sine 60 will move towards point A in anti-clockwise direction, hence it will be taken as minus. So after solving the above, you will get 86602.54 Newton into mm, which will be equals to 86602.54 Newton into mm denoted by anticlockwise direction. So here is your point A, and point A consists of 500 Newton making an angle 60 degree, and the moment is 86602.54 Newton into mm. So this way you have to replace the given force system into force couple system. In the next lecture, we will see the examples related to equivalent force couple system having different force of system. Thank you.